And we're back. Got a nice 50 BP for that one. I'm now at 910. We're gonna go back to arcade mode. Oh snap, it's Ken.
I'm ready for you. Bring it on.
And the battle begins. Fight! Now you
Damn it. Shit. Oh yeah.
You win.
Know the shame of defeat.
Destiny, a new
Uh-oh.
warrior has
A new warrior has entered the ring. Oh, this guy doesn't have a title or an icon, so either he's a scrub or he's just trying to fake me out.
Who will walk away victorious? We're in for an incredible fight.
Uh-oh, volcanic
Who
rim.
will walk away a champion?
Rival battle right here.
The answer locked.
Who will come out on top? Fight! And there's the
I'm gonna get hit by this. Oh, I guess not. Yay, fireballs. Oh, connection with the other player has been lost. He quit. He quit. Ah.
Yes, that's right. Understood.
That's what he
And
gets.
the battle begins. Fight!
Crimson Viper always rapes me. Die 1,000 deaths!
You win.
Put away your toys and fight with honor.
Destination, a new warrior has entered the ring.
Alright. First come, first served. Alright.
Previous and loyal fighters have assembled from all around the world to join.
Ah, he's gonna pick Akuma too. I bet he thinks he's cool.
We're in for an incredible fight. Which one of these two will walk away a champion? And the battle begins. Fight! The scales have tipped. Fight has finally begun. Which one of these two is victory? That'll come back.
Does he think he's gonna hit me with it? Bam, bitch.
Both heaven and earth.
Tremble before my might.
Will the tide of battle
And he quit. Again. Wow, what's with all these quitters?
The weak lose and the strong win. Which of these fighters will prove the old axiom today?
Oh well.
And the battle begins. Fight!
Oh shit. Ah, he missed. Standard combo right there.
You win!
Only I can claim control over the very fabric of death itself. Don't know why he's saying that to Guile. Oh, a new warrior has entered the ring. Self-proclaimed best.
Survival of the fittest on a global scale. Who among the challengers will make it to the top?
Alright, a Fei Long. Haven't played a Fei Long in a while.
3 fighters lined up. This is going to be one hell of a show.
Da 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 da.
Are you ready?
I don't know. Are you ready?
There's the first hit. What'll happen next?
Shit. Bullshit. Focus.
And the battle continues. Fight! With that, the fight is officially underway.
I am an air fireball spammer, not gonna lie. But if I jump, I might as well throw a fireball, right? It could be the end. And I'll end with a medium kick. Hey, I may be cheap, but I win. Ah, there are many paths to hell. Which will you choose? Who knows? I can't really read that. Is that 55 BP? Yeah, 55. Self-proclaimed best? Haha.
Whoever wins this one will have their name engraved.
Did we go Blanca? I hate Blanca, by the way. I'm really bad against Blancas. Especially computer-controlled Blancas. Stand up. Damn. Stand up, bitch. Every time. The computer falls for that. Every time. This is Messats. Oh yeah.
You win.
Vitality 0. Neither man nor beast will know my mercy. Now we'll get a new challenger.
The battle is set.
No, I guess not. That means it'll probably happen during the fight. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Enter the ring.
Samurai Spirit. Okay. I'm playing a lot of Akuma right now, but I'll change it up later.